Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw Sweetcoin to GCash. So first of all, open the Sweetcoin app, then navigate to the marketplace or Sweetcoin for goods section. Look for a cash reward offer that allows withdrawal via PayPal. Then select the cash reward offer. Follow the on-screen instructions to redeem it. Then enter your PayPal account details when prompted, as Sweetcoin transfers cash via PayPal. After that, open the GCash app on your phone, then tap on Profile in the bottom menu. Go to My Linked Accounts and select PayPal. Follow the steps to link your PayPal account with GCash. Once the Sweetcoin reward is created to your PayPal account, open the GCash app. Navigate to the Cash In section. Select PayPal as the source and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and the funds will appear in your GCash wallet. Finally, check your GCash balance to ensure the funds have been successfully transferred. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your Sweetcoin earnings to GCash.